What competitive advantages does this company have that will allow it to scale without excessive risk of reduction in demand for locomotives? Leveraging our defense and commercial system manufacturing experience, OptiFuel's production strategy is built on a scalable, collaborative model that allows us to efficiently ramp up for serial production, minimizing the risks of excess capacity by extensively utilizing qualified subcontractors at every production level. For instance, our pro forma sales projections for North America reflect that sales scale to 1,150 units per year and then level off gradually over a 15-year period down to a consistent 675 units a year. This is a conservative sales projection. In reality, we believe our sales could reach as high as 2,000 units per year, and we expect to be fully prepared to scale and meet whatever demand our sales team can generate. Here's how we plan to achieve that. Modular manufacturing and subcontracting. A substantial portion of our components and modules will be produced by a diverse network of subcontractors with a significant share of fabrication and assembly outsourced to facilities that already have excess capacity. This redundant multi-source strategy reduces our reliance on any single supplier and effectively mitigates supply chain risks. Collaborative capacity planning. We collaborate closely with our OEM suppliers and manufacturing subcontractors who also serve other industries to synchronize our component integration schedules with available supply and distribute our 10-year production forecast across subcontractor capacities. We update these forecasts annually using 3-year pipeline projections for capacity planning and 1 to 2 year projections to set firm commitment ranges for long lead items. Long-term strategic partnerships. By sharing our long-term projections and collaborating with our partners, we secure the necessary capacity through the establishment of mutually beneficial business relationships that foster ongoing value. Additionally, through the use of supplier frame agreements, we ensure that long-term supplier costs and delivery requirements are understood and met. Together, these elements enable us to quickly scale, integrate the latest technologies, manage risk effectively, and capitalize on the increasing demand for next-generation locomotives.